much for clicking on this video. Hope you're having an awesome day. Thanks for taking some time every day to hang out with me. Today's video, we have the FABFITFUN unboxing for winter 2020. I will leave my FABFITFUN playlist to watch previous unboxings, and if you haven't already, please subscribe and give this video a like. Let's get unboxing. This box is massive. The box it came in is massive. I don't remember what I customized or added on with. I can't wait. I've been staring at this box for a while thinking, how am I gonna hold it up for a thumbnail? So I just had to take out this box to do so because I would have probably fallen over in my seat. FABFITFUN is a quarterly box. You pay $50 per quarter and each box retails for over $200. I am an annual member. That way I can customize a little bit more. You get to customize 5 products instead of 3. Let's open this bad boy up. I think this might be easier with me not even in it and as things start falling, help. And this is what the inside looks like. Yes! They always throw these in and I never use them. Even though I've been really wanting HelloFresh, but I've been told at my local Lowe's grocery store, they have some HelloFresh kits in there. Who would have thought? I might have to check that out. There's a lot of here. $15 off. I got a FABFITFUN sticker. I have to go through this later. Discover which wine. I should have just given that as a gift. HBO Max. I already got that through my I just gotta put this to the side. I'm getting distracted. Hung up on that. Have this lovely magazine with all of the products inside. Oh, the iconic pan. I could totally use one. I'm getting so sidetracked right now. It's gonna take me forever to go through the box. Oh, I should have got the robe. A lot of people were talking about that robe, but I'm like, I'm having FOMO that I didn't get the robe. I already have 3 bathrobes because Victoria's Secret Pink, it used to be like Halloween trick or treat with them, putting one in free with a $75 purchase. So I just haven't chosen a robe yet. I hope that comes back though in add-ons or something. And I guess in retrospect, it would have made a fantastic Christmas gift. For the first one, there was a lot to choose from, and I know I struggled choosing one. And as I mentioned, I probably should have chosen the robe as well. But we had a Vera Bradley compact organizer that retails for $50. The unhide little marshmallow blanket that retails for $65. What I chose is the Bombshell Sloan Champagne Flute, a set of 4. There used to be a point in my life where I did not drink champagne. It kind of happened overnight in a sense. It was 2018 when my aunt invited me, my mom, and Griffin out. We spent some time in San Francisco and Napa, and lo and behold, she takes us to this bougie winery. It's like tradition for her and mom to always stop at, plus she's a member of it. And Griffin and I ordered some flights of champagne with a cheese platter. I was in it for the cheese. After a couple sips and a few cheese blocks later, I am hooked on champagne. So I only had like a couple of flutes. I had my wedding flutes that Catherine gifted me at my bridal shower, and then my aunt also got me 4 flutes, and I just feel like I need more just because if I'm hosting things, like apparently I'm hosting Christmas this year, which I'm slightly freaking out about because I feel grown doing that just because I'm so used to my parents or another family member doing that. So I'm glad that I got champagne flutes over here. That way we all have enough. But these are also stemless. So I thought they just looked really cute, sleek, and bougie. I definitely enjoy my fair share of champagne. My favorite is from a brand called Gruet, and you can get a bottle at Costco for $13. You can do the math how dangerous that can be. They also have a Blanc, which you can get at Wegmans for $18. It's a little bit more expensive at Teeter. Those are 2 that I really love, and my mom just got me hooked on the Trader Joe's Rosé champagne, so I definitely need to go and stock up there because you know it's got to be $10 or below. Really excited for these. They're gonna get so much use, and they all seem to be intact, which I was very afraid of, but they are very nice and bubble wrapped up in here. But don't get me wrong, I still love my tequila and Catch Fire, but I guess as I've gotten older, I just love to enjoy a glass of champagne at night. But you could have also chose the Summer and Rose Cozy Robe that is $70. And I know that they just did a bunch of like Black Friday, Cyber Monday deals. I'm sure that was on there. Probably should have just picked one up then. No lie, I see myself chilling in that, especially with working from home. Just chill in that robe all day, every day. Could have also had the Lily Beauty Tea Seed Elixir. It was one that I probably originally was going to choose, but I'm like, I always choose the makeup and skincare, and these lifestyle items were really killing it for me. So I felt a little adventurous, chose something else. They also had Kate Spade New York Rise and Shine Stud Earrings set of 2 that retails for $68, which were super cute. Loved the pearls. And then the Mobile White Advanced Teeth Whitening Kit for $90. I did not choose that because I think BOXYCHARM I am getting a teeth whitening set as my choice item, so I did not have a need for that. And now for the second customization. Could have had the Lily Pulitzer Ceramatic Mugs set of 2 for $42. I am not a Lily fan. Even though I am a sorority alum, I never got into Lily Pulitzer. Vineyard Vines all day, every day. Could have also chose the Cuddly Vinosource Moisturizing Sorbet. That's just a brand that I'm not that familiar with. That retails for $39. The Murad Rapid Collagen Infusion that retails for $78. Love that product. Did not need another at this moment. Algenist Complete Eye Renewal Balm. That is a brand I am not familiar with either, but it retails for $68. The Lucky Brand Solid Brush Scarf. That was one I really almost added on. I have so many scarves. Let me know in the comments below, how do you organize and store your scarves? I have the hangers, but I have like 5 of them completely packed and full, so it's just all over the place. I get so overwhelmed that I'm just like, I don't even want to wear a scarf. What I chose, I needed a new mirror. This is the Impressions Vanity Company LED Vanity Mirror that retails for $45. My little ratchet mirror on my vanity, it is struggling. Like, it is just so gross, dirty. The lights don't even work no more, so I figured it was time for an upgrade. What better yet to get it for free in a box that you pay for? So essentially this was almost like the amount that I paid for FABFITFUN, and everything else can be looked as for free. So I'm really excited to put this together and use it. This brand is very popular in the beauty community space. I know like a lot of people like to get like the big ass mirrors with the bulbs on the side. I've always thought about doing that with the bookshelves, and then I have like a window on my other wall. It just wouldn't be feasible in here. I will live through having this mirror instead. Section 3, I wasn't like really crazy about everything. I ended up choosing the IPSY Limitless Lash Mascara, and it retails for $28. They had the Laura Geller Cinnamon and Spice Eyeshadow Palette. It looked so plain though. Like, I just felt like a lot of the shades looked so similar. How am I going to create like a dimension look? So that was an easy pass. And then I also already own the Dr. Brandt Skin Pores No More Pore Purifying Cleanser that retails for $36. I don't know, I think I'm just getting to the point where I'm tired of seeing Dr. Brandt in boxes. We've seen them a lot recently. I'm just over it type thing. Kind of how I feel about Ciata in London, how I felt about Wander Beauty. We haven't seen them in a while, so I haven't been shitting on them nearly as much, but it's just kind of like, okay, Dr. Brandt clearly isn't selling if it's in every single box. Because once again, you could have also chosen their Pore Dermabrasion product, which we recently just got in another box. I feel like you could have also chosen the Lily, I almost said sourdough. Maybe it's Sadoe Maroon Velvet Headband that retails for $49. That just seemed really overpriced for a headband, even though mine is like a little ratchet with the smiley faces. I got like a pack of 12 off of Amazon for $10. And then from the fourth section, you could have chosen the Tula Skincare Rose Glow and Get It Cooling Brightening Eye Balm that retails for $30. Got something similar in BOXYCHARM in September, which I was just kind of It felt very drying, and I have dry under eyes, so I just felt like I wasn't helping anything. I almost skipped the Kate Spade New York workout socks that retails for $24. I thought the grippies were really cute, but I just didn't find it necessary for me. I really wanted these cabin socks that retails for $25, especially with the weather being really cool today. Like, it feels like a winter day today, and I'm living for it. We just need snow, but it's not cold enough for snow. We're just like 10 degrees over. And then what I chose is the Flight Mode Skincare High Altitude Hydration Mask that retails for $38. Hydrate and nourish your skin with a blend of Australian Wildberry Harvest and hyaluronic acid. I have been dealing with the driest skin this winter so far. We're not even officially in winter yet, but holy crap, is my skin dry. It is chapped. It doesn't want to retain any moisture. Same with my hands. My hands are so beat up right now. I've been so focused on my hair care that I have been kind of neglecting my skincare routine. So that is something I'm focusing on this week, trying to restore some hydration back to it because it is struggling. So hopefully this can be a product that helps. For the fifth product, we could have chose the Beauty Guardian Angel Revitalizing Eye Gels. I probably should have chosen those. I don't know why I didn't. I can always use eye masks, especially my under eyes. They have been so dry as well. The cutting board was kind of cute for $20, but I have a bunch of cutting boards. I just didn't need any more. I chose the Depew Apple Cider Vinegar Dry Shampoo Powder that retails for $24. I've been very intrigued by this brand. They also have a apple cider vinegar like wash that I've been wanting to try for so long as well. I go through dry shampoo really quickly. I just want to try this. The only other powder that I've tried is by Lush. Really liked it. I found that that has worked out the absolute best. The only thing about it is that it's messy. So it's really hard to distribute through your hair just to make sure that the powder is going to get in the places that it needs to really absorb any oil, grease, and also cleanse at the same time. So I still haven't figured out like the best method of application because it still looks like it snowed on me after use. I just wanted to give this one a shot just because I really enjoyed Lush's. And then the 6th, 7th, and 8th products, FABFITFUN, I almost said Lush because we were talking about them, picks out for you. So from number 6, oh, we got the Wish Lip Scrub in Vanilla Bean. I could definitely use that. I have the driest, crustiest lips. I have been on the hunt for a product that will actually do something for them. It's funny because like products will start working and then like after a week it's like, nah bro, we're good. So I have high hopes. Could have also gotten the Paradox Lucky Stars Blemish Patches, which I feel like we got blemishing patches. Maybe it wasn't. I get so many boxes that I might be getting some confused with the others. Or you could have gotten the Below the Belt Croc card case that retails for $35. It's kind of cute, but I don't really have any practical use for that because the wallet that I have, it actually fits your passport in and then credit cards on the side. For category 7, you could have gotten the Daily Concepts Daily Facial Dry Brush, or I got the Noir Jewelry Ombre Leopard Scrunchies. I have been living for scrunchies lately. I am so glad they're making a comeback. I don't have many. I only have the ones that Victoria's Secret sent me and a free gift with purchase, just like those robes. So these will definitely get some use out of them. I normally just put my hair up in a bun with my Invisibobble and then I'll just put the scrunchie over it. And then from category 8, you could have gotten the Aesthetica Liquid Liner, the London Downtown Get Well Nail Recovery, or I got the Phase Zero Makeup Making Movers Blusher that retails for $28. We have gotten some of their products in BOXYCHARM. I don't think I've used it yet. I'm pretty sure I put them in a giveaway. Ooh, that's pretty though. Even though it is peachy, I can be down for a peach blush. What I got, I am super stoked for. I'm a little sad that I did not look a little bit more deep into some of these to add on, like the eye patchies, but I think I have a lot of the Skinlint Ice ones and then some from Face Tory. That's probably why I didn't choose those. And I am still a little bit sad about the robe. Even though I have my fair share of robes, this one just looks so cozy. And they also threw in a Kind bar. I get the Power Energy ones from Sam's Club. Really good. Makes a nice snack. I am excited for this FABFITFUN because I feel like it's a really good balance of lifestyle, makeup, and skincare, because my boxes in the past are usually very skincare heavy as well as makeup heavy. And this, I chose champagne flutes and a new mirror, which is something I have not done before. So really excited to see how those are going to work out. Plus all this, plus my add-ons. We are not done yet. 2 products that were also part of customization. I did get the blankets. I am a huge blanket lover. I have thousands of blankets in my house, and even though I thought I found my holy grail blanket, which it was from Soft Surroundings, I absolutely am obsessed with it. Here I am, still getting some blankets, but I feel like you can never have too many blankets, especially with the colder weather. I love being bundled up. Griffin gets on my case about the house being a little too cold, and I'm like, are you wearing a hoodie, sweatpants, socks, and do you have a blanket on? And if you do, okay, maybe turn it up a degree or 2. I just love being bundled up. I don't want to be too hot. I want to be nice and comfortable. This blanket is going to get a lot of love. I thought originally I was going to give this as a gift, and now that I feel it, I'm like, gift to myself, huh? And then I also chose out those cabin socks. Oh my gosh. I am stoked. Oh, and they have like little grippies on the bottom. I actually have some character ones from Walmart. My Jack Skellington ones are my absolute favorite. I think I have some Slytherin and Pikachu as well. These are just like the adult bougier form, but these also have like Sherpa all the way through, where those are not nearly as long. These are just gonna be so great. This plus the blanket. All I need is my robe to be chilling in, and I'd be content. I think you can like plus your box or something, and that's what I did with these Living Proof. This is the Restore shampoo, conditioner, and leave-in repair. And the reason why I went with this is because living proof is really expensive. I believe there is a set on Ulta's website of these 3 products and it retails for like $70. Whereas I think you paid maybe $20 to boost it up a little bit, and I just had to take advantage of this deal. Living proof is a brand I haven't really explored much with. There's one product I really like. I think it's like their defrizzer product. I think they have like a leave-in styling cream. But aside from those 2 products, I haven't tried their shampoo and conditioner, which is something that's been on my radar for so long now because I definitely have been on that hair care train lately. It's funny, I did get the Guardian Angel eye patches. Okay, so it really is just the FOMO of not having the robe. So you get 4 masks. Okay, so they must have had like a really good discounted price when you added it on, aside from your customization. That's probably why I ended up getting with them instead of just fully passing them up. I also got the Philip Kingsley anti-frizz treatment. I struggle with frizz so bad. I could put in so many anti-frizz products in my hair, nonetheless it's still going to frizz a little bit. So I was just really intrigued by this product and this brand because I haven't used it before. This is actually a rebuy. This is by Huang Ji Su. This is their cleansing oil. I got a bottle of it in my face Tory. I have been obsessed. I think I have maybe a little bit more where it says made in Korea left in my current bottle. It just does a fantastic job breaking down any remaining makeup I may have after using a cleansing balm, because after that I can just go in with some micellar water just to make sure there is nothing left behind, be good to go. I have been so stoked that FABFITFUN has had some of their products in add-ons, and I think that this cleanser was maybe like $3 or something in add-ons. How could I not pass it up? I originally wasn't going to, just because I have some other oil cleansers I'm trying to get through in my collection, but this one has treated me so well that I'm like, hell yeah, I need to regardless because it's going to get used. Jouer had a highlighting palette. I haven't tried many Jouer products. It's a brand that I want to try everything from them, and I just pick up what I can in add-ons, and this is what it looks like. Oh, I think these are actually like cream highlighters. At first I thought they were powder, but you know what? I'm on the cream train as well, so I just have to figure out, is finger gonna be the best or a beauty sponge? We'll see. By the brand Welkos. These are the Skin Relief Repair Irritable Skin Avocado Relief Masks. As I mentioned, my skin has just been in a frenzy lately since the weather has changed. I got the blueberry masks in PR, really enjoyed them. So I really wanted to try the avocado ones just to see. I believe the blueberry ones were also in add-ons as well. But since I do get Face Tory as well as Boutique monthly, I do get a lot of sheet masks. So I just wanted to choose one or the other. And since I have already tried blueberry, wanted to try avocados. And I guess I forgot that I chose the dry shampoo powder because I also chose out by the brand Vor. This is the Invisible Dry Shampoo and Conditioner. What intrigued me about this is said that and conditioner part, because all I put in my hair is usually dry shampoo. Maybe I will freshen up a little bit with leave-in, because my leave-in is something I usually just focus on putting after I do wash my hair. I feel like when I add it on a dry hair, it just doesn't give me like the same benefits as if my hair was damp, as well as it causes additional buildup that I just don't necessarily need. So I just wanted to see if this will help provide a little bit more of those conditioning benefits, since when I do put dry shampoo in, it tends to dry out my hair, needing that conditioner feel. So I wonder if this is gonna help counter that. And then lastly, I guess even though I have like 1,000 makeup bags, I found myself adding on the Vera Bradley one, but I really love Vera Bradley makeup bags, and I guess this is a new style that they're rolling out because I am not familiar with it at all. But you get like a nice big pouch right here, and then a nice little mini pouch right here. I really don't know what possessed me to put it on. Maybe it's because it had the words Vera Bradley. I have not shopped Vera Bradley in so long since we got, what was it, our home bags as we called it. Man, those are like really great travel bags too. I guess I was just really feeling getting a new makeup bag. That's funny as hell. I don't remember this. I would love to know if you guys get FABFITFUN. Which items did you customize with? Did we customize any of the same items, or were your items completely different? Also let me know what products FABFITFUN chose out for you. Did you add anything on? I am always weak when it comes to add-ons, and I'm really excited for the ones that I added on. Still having a little bit FOMO about the robe. I remember to add on the makeup organizer, not the robe. Oh, I'm so mad at myself. And are you guys excited for the spring box? I just know around the corner, add-ons, customizations will be there, and I know I'm really excited to see what they have in store for us. I'm hoping the robe. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave, and if you don't, I appreciate your view anyways, and I'll see you in the next video.